The sheer endlessness pick up bullish speed over the kind of past week, acquiring 0.73% in a significant manner. The cost of a sheer limitlessness sort of has fallen by 1.16% in the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. As far as Axie's support floor, it especially is presently $10.21, or so they in every practical sense thought. Axie for the most part has its essentially next opposition at $11.87, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. 18 October 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through a sheer vastness cost examination for now or for all things considered, 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is genuinely transient cost expectation for a sheer limitlessness, sort of is Axie a sort of wise speculation, which explicitly is very critical. A sheer limitlessness support and opposition levels and so forth in a by and large enormous manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Axie's specialized examination, let us essentially discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,074,990,404 in an especially large manner. The for the most part complete exchanging volume basically remains at $45,617,703,149, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%, sort of additional appearance, how a sheer endlessness support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is genuinely critical. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, or so they truly thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, essentially is somewhere around 0.26 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, which sort of shows that a sheer boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the precise past week, acquiring 0.73%, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely large way. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market essentially is going in an every practical sense descending course for certainly present moment, which truly shows that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market especially is going in a very descending heading for truly present moment, which really is very critical. Right now, a general most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. A sheer limitlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction most certainly are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which sort of is very huge. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%. Further appearance, how a sheer vastness support and opposition levels and so forth. Kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which vendors in every practical sense move fundamentally dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they essentially thought. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of a sheer endlessness, Axie, a sheer limitlessness execution. The sort of everyday graph of a sheer boundlessness certainly shows that the Axie cost in every way that really matters has an extremely descending development, with a 1.16% diminishing in essentially beyond 24 hours, or so they all things considered thought. The value worth of the sheer boundlessness, Axie coin sort of is remaining at $4.24, with market capitalization $598,641,739 United States dollars, exhibiting how these occasions basically demonstrate that the market basically is going in a really descending bearing for pretty present moment. which explicitly shows that these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a by and large descending course, for especially transient in an unobtrusive manner. Axie's cost changes 0.73% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume most certainly is floating around $33,056,281 United States dollars, which really shows that following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Axie limitlessness, Axes, Axie vastness execution. The by and large day-to-day diagram of Axie boundlessness sort of shows that the Axie's cost explicitly has a by and large descending development with a 1.16% reduction in genuinely beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. Axie vastness value examination Axie's cost examination for 18 October 2023, inside an everyday time span, especially made sense of underneath. Exhibiting how following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of Axie boundlessness, Axes, Axie endlessness execution. The kind of day-to-day graph of Axie limitlessness fundamentally shows that the Axes cost has an especially descending development, with a 1.16% diminishing in most certainly beyond 24 hours in a truly significant manner. We utilize relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving commonly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely basic moving kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving extremely normal, EMA, to sort of investigate the future development of the Axie vastness. Exhibiting how XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, certainly is somewhere around 0.26 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, which generally shows that Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the truly past week, acquiring 0.73%, or so they sort of thought. The Axie endlessness certainly has by and large break all its really upholds levels, and things generally are not looking very great for the crypto market, so Axie's cost changes 0.73% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is floating around $33,056,281 United States dollars. Which explicitly shows that following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Axie boundlessness, Axes, Axie vastness execution. The day-to-day outline of Axie limitlessness, for the most part, shows that the Axes cost for the most part has a very descending development, with a 1.16% diminishing in kind of beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, essentially bears really are in charge of the market and effectively fundamentally take Axie's cost beneath the vital help level of $10.21, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The MACD line for the most part is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie vastness financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the fundamentally everyday diagram, which truly shows that Axie endlessness value examination Axie's cost investigation for 18 October 2023, inside a sort of